We are continuing topic 4.4, complex numbers, and we're going to talk about explain to. So now we're going to add and subtract the complex numbers. And just remember, these work very similar to what we would do if there was an x there. So we're going to treat the I like a variable, even though it's an imaginary number. So I'm going to combine like terms. The addition sign really has no effect on the parentheses, so I'm just going to look for my like terms. So I'm seeing -7 plus 5 would be -2. And then I'm seeing 2i minus 11i would be -9i. Apparently, I did not do a good job copying and pasting this entire lesson. There's supposed to be a B. So this one is supposed to have 18 plus 27i, and then minus 2 plus 3i. So I do see a negative there, and that negative means I need to distribute this in. So I'm going to just write the first one the way it is. I'm going to distribute in on that second one, which will give me -2 minus 3i. Now I'm going to treat it like terms. I'm going to add the 18 and the -2, and that would give me +16. And then I'm going to add the 27i and the -3i, and that's going to give me +24i. So it asks us, is the sum a plus bi plus a minus bi, where a and b are real numbers, a real number or an imaginary number? Explain. Okay, so let's check it out. So if I'm going to add these two together, I would say a plus a would be 2a. And then bi minus bi would actually be 0 bi, right? Which really would make sure it could go away. So it's just 2a. And since a is a real number, it would mean that overall it is a real number. So I would say that, therefore, since 2a is a real number, a plus bi plus a minus bi is a real number. Now we're going to go ahead and do the your turns. Notice we are subtracting. So subtracting means that I need to distribute that through first. So I am going to have 17 minus 6i, and then -9 minus 10i. And then we're going to do combining like terms. So 17 minus i is going to be 8. And let me use a different color. -6i and -10i would be -16i. You'll notice on 8, it's just a plus sign, so I can kind of just ignore the parentheses. So 16 minus 8 is 8. And then 17i minus 12i is +5i.